Guys, what's up? It's me, Tamaya from the Sister Girl, and today we're going to be making clear pink slime. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have a bowl and a mixer. Right now, you're going to untwist the top. I'm going to pour it in. Look how mesmerizing that is. Make sure all the slime can fit in here, but right now it's just glue. Manta Squad. Gotta get every drop in. Did it look like it was landing on my mouth? It wasn't. See? The glue actually in front of it. Okay, that's all I'm getting out for now. And really, the next step is you can use baking soda. And it's a good thing that my stir is a measuring stick, but you don't have to measure the baking soda. Really, you can use Tide or really anything you want to activate it, but I'm using baking soda and contact solution. I don't know if you guys measure everything, but I want to measure today, unlike the other things. Yeah. Because this stuff together is strong. See how it's starting to form already, and I barely used any. But now that your stir is completely covered in goop, I probably should have put that through. You just want to go in with it. Woohoo! Does it look white in there? Yes, it does. Make sure you get all those chunks of baking soda, if you're using baking soda, in there really good. I'm just gonna go in with my pinchers. Sorry. Just gonna mix. Don't ask. I probably overactivated. It takes a while to make slime. So you just want to keep going and going and going. That's a lot of baking soda. But really, I'm trying to activate this fast. I don't want to make it a long video like all my other ones. So right now, it's really has not clear in it. So once this is done, if you want it clear pink, you want to let it set out for 2 days. 2 days. I'm going to start playing with it with one hand. Bad idea. Wait, ASMR time. It looks looks like a bubblegum color, sorta. It's becoming a long video. At this point, I don't really care. My shirt says Santa Squad. But I'm not really gonna have merch or anything. I just want it to stand up. Well, it's sort of like a glossy color, kind of. Let me just play with this. Wait, listen. Slime's not supposed to be this sticky, so it's not fully activated, but look at it. It's so opaque and shiny. Look at this opaqueness. It stretches well. It's forming. When slime is fully made, it's supposed to come off your hands and not stick. Like this one. I probably shouldn't have went in with all my hands. Yeah, but this is really opaque. If you guys want me to make other videos or something, but I'm actually videotaping this on a phone, so I can't really, and I don't have an editor or really anybody. And I moved, you guys. I moved from Florida all the way to Maryland, closer to my brothers. Well, 2 of them. And I just started school on Thursday, but school had already started a while ago. But unfortunately, my teacher has given me an IEP. So everybody's like scared of. I don't know if I'd say scared. They were like nervous to take me in the way that they worded me. One school didn't even get back to me. They said, oh yeah, we'll get back to you guys on Friday. A week later, they didn't even get back to me. Yeah, but it's like, right now it's this really opaque pink gloss color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's opaque right now. It's sticky. It loves sticking to things. So, yeah. And for you guys that are wondering, oh my god, is she ever gonna get merch or something? I may, but I need to start making my decisions soon though. If not. But if not, can you guys like deal with it? Because I know some of you guys are like, she's not getting merch. I'm not watching her. So maybe you guys are like, oh, she's not getting merch? Okay. And then if I do get merch, you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, she's getting merch. So you got to be like, okay. So it's really just a matter if I do or if I don't. But I do know that you guys should hit that subscribe button right down there. Hit that bell button and hit the like button if you like this video. It's still really sticky. Still have some more glue left. straight onto the table. I have to just sit over here and play. Let's do this bit first. Probably should like make a mini slime. Mini slime on the table, and we picked it up from there. Yeah, but thanks guys for watching this video. If it was too long, I'm sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said before, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Okay?